So this may be the stupidest thing I ever tried. I have another OSRAM LED light bulb. This is a small one with a small base, and it's only 4 watts, cooler white, 4000 Kelvin, and yeah, it has 4 of these LED strings, many LED chips in series, and strings are also connected in series. So what I want to achieve, what I'd like to achieve, is for the strings to face in the same direction. So I'd have this light bulb and the light would only go in one direction. I mean, yeah, 180 degrees, but the most of the light would go in front, and the back side would be completely dark. So only about 160, 180 degree. What do you call that? Angle, light, blah blah blah. So, yeah. I have a grinding wheel here, motorized. I don't know how to... Should I dare to turn it on and then put it to the light bulb? But as you can see, I already scratched it, just turning it by hand, and it seems that it works. So this should be able to cut through the glass, hopefully not break it, and then remove the top part, bend the LEDs in one direction, and then maybe glue the glass back. I don't know. This will probably break, so I'm going to put some electrical tape on it to cover it, and hopefully I'm not going to bleed today. I already bled yesterday. I installed a toilet seat, and yeah, I hurt myself. That was enough for the week. So let me just cover up the whole surface. This is very thin glass. There are no gases inside if you don't count air, so it's only air, or maybe it's sucked out. There would be no real benefit to LEDs, but I think it's sucked out. But there is no gas to be afraid of. It's just empty or air. These are the two possibilities. So I covered it up like that, and yeah, let's cut it. And yeah, so I need to cut right about here so the LEDs would have enough room to come out. But yeah, this isn't gonna be pretty, so I'm what am I putting on myself for protection? I think I'm just going to go by hand at first. Let me see. What does it do? Does it even cut through? Or should I turn it on? Oh boy. That is hitting it. It's not good. That is too fast. It's hitting it. It will break it. So I'll just move it by hand and see what happens. a bit further. But it doesn't matter. At this point I just want to get it off without breaking it into many pieces. It's kind of deep. Almost, I think. Yes. It should be coming out soon. This is interesting. I hope I don't die. Come on! Why isn't this going through? Let me just wipe it a little. It's already in. I mean, depth-wise, it should be already through. Should I do it just like this, back and forth? Still not through. What? Why? I already cut relatively deep. Interesting. Still not through. Oh boy. I haven't experimented with glass before, so yeah, this is my first time. Yeah, glass dust. I don't think that is really bad. I don't worse to my hands. Maybe this side. Oops. I mean, now what? Oh boy. So I could have done this at the base and at the top and reach in with some metallic tools or whatever, wood, if you're afraid, and bend those things. Reach in and bend those in place. This could be interesting. I don't want to break it now. So it's a hole. And oh yeah, if I want to put this outside, it will be weakened, so the glass is not that resistant anymore. I don't know what to do now. Well, as for this video, here I did something. I put a hole in the glass. So this may give you some ideas on other projects maybe. If I were a little bit more precise and only do it by hand, of course, to not break the glass, I could have made a very nice hole with barely any scratches around it. And maybe even cover it up with epoxy or something, and it would look good as new after I made the hole, bent all the things inside I wanted, and then cover it up. Yeah, so I guess this is it for this video. The process has been validated, and then I'll see what I do.